My name is Olivier Spitzer and I'm responsible for facility management in the municipality of Cormondes. This is the robot we bought. It has been in operation for 3 years. We bought the robot mainly because of its high known safety levels. In our gym hall, we use magnesium, which poses safety risks due to the slippery residues. The robot is an excellent solution. After it is used, the floor is thoroughly cleaned and no longer slippery. We use it on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and also on Saturdays and Sundays. Another reason we bought the robot is because it previously took us 3 hours to clean the floor with a manual scrubber. Now, thanks to the robot, it only takes 1 hour to clean the whole hall. The robot is impressive due to its high versatility. We have a large hall that can be split in 3 areas. We can lower the partition, allowing us to clean hall C, B, or A.